Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. So tonight, rainy night, what we're cooking is a way to elevate your average supermarket steak.
That doesn't look like an average steak to me.
That's a USDA choice from the supermarket, not the butcher shop. So we're gonna
from our market?
Yeah, we're gonna bring it in close in a minute. But a couple of steps here to take your average steak and make it better. Step one, I salt aged it. Your salt aged, salt brine, your trick, Jeff. Step two, we're gonna come as close to cold smoking it over hickory as we can for about 30 minutes. Step three, we're gonna sear it off. So stick around, we're gonna see how this tastes. Bring you back in a minute, show you the ingredients. All right, so here's what we got for ingredients. We got some potatoes that I actually parboiled today. And I cut these guys thick and I parboiled them in a little bit of salted water with a little bit of baking soda so they were fork tender. So not falling apart, but fork tender.
You sliced them first?
Sliced them first, yeah. These are gonna be your side.
Nice.
We got bone-in strip steaks. As I said at the intro, these have already been salted this morning, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna separate these from the bone. Not entirely, because I do wanna serve the bone with them. But I find what happens is the steak near the bone will lift up off the griddle and you're not gonna get a good crust there. So we're just gonna grab each of those, give a quick slice that way. Chris is being lazy, Jeff, if you wanna pan over. He's doing nothing, not helping.
Watching you, Nate, I'm watching you. I'm a little surprised. You're not gonna keep that in for the smoker, the bone?
I am.
The bone?
Is he not paying
No,
attention?
on it, like together.
Yeah, it's gonna be right next to it.
Ah.
So then I got some spicy peppers. I think these are Anaheim. And that's the whole meal. For seasoning, salt and pepper on the potatoes, and of course, one of my personal favorites, the Killer Hogs AP on the steaks. And I'm putting that on before it goes on the smoker, because I actually want some of the salt in this to pick up some of the smoke. So we'll meet you.
Double salting. He's got the salt brine. He's got
Salt
the
on the salt.
We'll meet you out at the Z-Grills.
He needs to put some butter on there.
That might be in the plan, Jeff.
It's already in the potatoes.
I like it. I like it. I like the technique too. Separating it from the bone, still keeping it.
All right, headed out to the Z-Grills. Talk to you about the temperature in the wood when we get out there. I'll warn you, we got some work going on here in the backyard, so things are kind of messy. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Jeff wants a steak.
Making things happen. That's what we're doing.
What do you want it?
Not in my eyes.
What do you want it?
Come down here. So I have this on smoke. Down here, there's a smoke setting, 180, 225, 275. Smoke is really your like preheat setting. But in this case, I don't want to actually smoke the steaks like barbecue. What I want to do is just get some smoked flavor on the steak. I don't want to start the cooking process. So we're going to throw these up here and we're going to leave them for about 30 minutes just on that smoke setting, which will give them that sort of wood-fired steak flavor. You know, if you go to a steakhouse that cooks over charcoal or natural wood. So they'll pick up that flavor, but they'll essentially still be refrigerator cold or just slightly above refrigerator cold. And from there, we're gonna go on the griddle. So for pellets, I got the Z-Grills brand Hickory going. Big fan of their hickory pellets. Tried a few different brands. I'm not gonna knock anyone, but I will say the Z-Grills brand, it's a quality pellet. You can taste and smell the difference.
Okay, Nate's putting me to work. We got the poblano. Is that what he said they were? Peppers?
No. Anaheim. Yeah, poblano doesn't have any heat.
We get the potatoes down. These are nice and thick. Wow, they made these pretty good. Look at that. They're gonna be good.
I learned my lesson. I had to run to the little boys' room.
We checked. We checked. Like, Nate's mic's either broken again.
You're getting
or
smarter,
he shut it off.
You're getting smarter.
Add a little salt and pepper to them.
Look at Chris. He always looks like the ultimate professional at all
What are you
times.
talking about?
I don't know.
And we got the heat on low. You just want to brown these up, Nate, right?
No, you can actually throw the heat up to medium, high.
All right, well, you told me low. You changed your mind.
Well, that's
keep
because
them low.
the timer went off for the steaks.
Oh, all right.
So we're gonna get those browned up, warmed up kind of quickly.
Medium, high.
Done.
And then throw the steaks on. It's nice having 2 extra people here to help cook.
All right?
Yeah, just like last week when we helped
I was
Chris.
watching the video of the grilled cheeseburger,
We
right?
did nothing. No, it was great.
Burger, I'm like, we got 3 guys working the griddle. One guy's putting cheese down, one guy's putting the salt, pepper down.
For the 2 minutes, and then for the other 15 minutes, we were just sitting there watching you.
Yeah, I know.
That was nice too. Playing with Dunk.
And you know what? That tasted surprisingly better than I thought it was gonna taste.
The cheese wasn't as overbearing as I thought it was going to be.
I think the cheese was just right considering the amount of bread.
It's because of the amount of meat.
Yeah. All right, so these guys have been on 30 minutes, 35 minutes. We were chatting. So I don't know if you can see it in the light. You'll see it inside. But like I said, they're really not cooked. They're not smoked.
Yeah.
Really just using the smoker almost like you would use garlic salt. Smells good though, doesn't it, Jeff?
I love smoked stuff. The Z-Grills is nice too.
Love this thing. This thing works great. Z-Grills, thank you so much. Definitely recommend that.
Camp Chef. For some reason, I just thought that they were not going to be hot. They definitely run hot. And I thought that was going to be a problem when we first got it and fired it up. It didn't seem like it was that warm.
Kind of like you, Jeff. You run hot.
Run hot and cold. I'm all over the place. I'll accept that.
You accept that?
You look hot in your Tom Brady sweater.
Yeah, hey, don't talk about the GOAT, even though he's got a worse record, well, as bad of a record as we do.
Either you guys watch the game last night?
I watched half of it and then wanted to slip my wrist, so I went to sleep.
Yeah, I did the same thing. And then I saw the score, and I'm like, yep, didn't get any better.
And then when the news came on this morning, I stuck my fingers in my ears and went, nah.
It's too bad. Zappy came in on fire. 2 quick touchdowns.
Oh yeah, he did. He had 4 passes and it was a touchdown. And then his next 2 were a touchdown, right? You know, Jeff, I could get used to this sort of cooking.
Me too.
Nate, I'm gonna crank these up on high for you to get ready to sear those for you.
Go at it, kid. It's all you.
Keep those on top, a little flavor.
Nice.
A little flavor flav.
That's not dating yourself. You got the youth right now. Who's Flavor?
Yeah, I know, right?
The youth.
Don't look it up.
Yeah, it's not that.
No, that's perfect. This is exactly what I was thinking. Drop them whenever you're ready.
So they definitely got some color in the smoker.
Yeah. I know. How do you like your steak, Jeff? Because Chris likes his still moving.
I'm right around there.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Well, there you go, Chris. Makes it nice and easy for you.
Potatoes are looking killer.
It's a good thing there's no smoke in the garage.
Yeah.
Whenever those are ready, we can start plating them up. But
This one's ready.
What a miserable couple weeks.
I don't think they're burning, but those skinny ones are going to be done quick.
Look at that. We got a flip here. Oh, yeah. Nice job.
Oh, my good.
Woo!
Yeah, Nate, these are gonna be done in about a minute and a half.
Yeah.
You wanna give it a little sear first, or you wanna move it over?
Nice try, Jeff. Yeah, give them a little bit. You know what's funny is you guys, I was just saying to Chris, you can actually smell the hickory smoke coming off the steak as it cooks, which was the goal. So, it's great.
We calling that done?
Wow, this guy's a little heavier. So.
Yeah, these are definitely done.
He has ears.
What's it? Look at him! Wow!
Sorry, Ed.
Wow!
Well played.
You lose a few pounds. Wow!
He's already throwing Chris.
You're becoming
Oh, yeah, now who's calling Tom Brady
a
sweaters?
bully.
Hey, oh!
Get out of here!
Make room for plating it up pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, darker side up on the taters.
Look at that.
Yep, right over here. Just divvy up the peppers evenly, so we got 3, 4, 2 per plate.
What a simple, classic, delicious meal. And this really is simple.
Yeah, if you have a smoker.
Unlike all the stuff I say.
Time to manja.
Nice.
They smell outstanding. That hickory on there.
I love that smoke, yeah.
Nate's treat.
Yeah,
This
I
is a
know.
good treat.
That makes it 10 times better.
This is not normal.
No top round for us.
I know.
Off camera, we've been chowing a little bit. But I gotta say, guys, can I get a toast?
Yeah, cheers.
Ready?
This is delicious.
3, 2, 1, done?
Done.
Yeah. So what do you think? How's the, you guys have both been eating the steak. Do you taste the smoke flavor?
Yes.
The first bite I had, just cut into it and going up to my mouth, I could smell the wood fire, I could smell it. And then you get it in your mouth. This is delicious. You can definitely taste it. What a difference it makes, Nate.
Yeah.
It's more of an experience than just a meal. It really is.
And for the 30 minutes, I mean, like it wasn't tough. All we did was put seasoning on it and throw it on there for 30 minutes.
It adds so much for doing so little.
The potatoes, I think they're great. They're a little crisp on the outside and there's some fluff on the inside. Again, that was salt, water, and like a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I just cooked them until I could get a fork through them. And then Threw them in the fridge.
I love the pepper.
I didn't taste the pepper yet.
It's a nice touch. It's not too hot. It's got a nice flavor.
Yeah,
Is it
a little
spicy
bite,
at all?
No, not too bad.
Not too bad.
I was expecting more heat, but it's good.
Put a little horseradish and a little sour cream on mine, just because, why not? Really good. Smoke is perfect.
Good job.
That's really good.
Good job, and thank
If you
you.
guys have any, you're welcome. If you guys have any way to do this, the indirect smoking for 30 minutes, and then sear it on the griddle, you gotta try it. It's outstanding. Great way to elevate a basic steak. Yeah, shout out to Z Grills.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification, share,
Tell your friends.
tell your friends.
And try this recipe.
Cheers,
See you in
guys.
the next one. Cheers.